Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a secret AI-powered tool that can completely change the way you perform JavaScript reconnaissance. This tool can take a domain, discover subdomains, collect JavaScript files, analyze them, and identify potentially exposed secrets, API keys, tokens, hidden endpoints, and other sensitive information. But here's the interesting part. It doesn't just tell you that it found a secret. It also helps you understand the finding and provides guidance on how to safely validate whether it's actually a security vulnerability. So if you're a bug bounty hunter, penetration tester, or security researcher, stay until the end because I'm going to walk you through the complete workflow from domain, subdomains, JavaScript, secret detection, to validation. And as always, only test domains that you own or have explicit permission to test. Let's get started. The tool link is given in the video description. Scroll down to the scanner section and enter the domain you want to scan. Once you've added your authorized target, click Start, New Scan. You'll see that the scan has started, and one of the interesting features is that you can actually watch the scan progress live and see what the tool is doing during the reconnaissance process. Once the scan is complete, go to the Reports section. Here you'll find all the findings collected during the scan. You can also filter the results based on different criteria such as domain, severity, and finding type, which makes it much easier to focus on the important results. For example, here we can see that the tool discovered potential admin endpoints inside JavaScript files. If I open this finding, I get additional information about where it was discovered, what was detected, and the recommended steps for safely validating the finding on an authorized target. This is especially useful because instead of simply saying endpoint found, the tool gives you context that helps you understand what you're looking at. And there's another useful feature here, the secret validator. If the scanner identifies something that looks like an API key or token, you can use the validator to determine whether the value is actually valid, using only the appropriate authorized validation method. This helps separate a simple false positive from a potentially meaningful security finding. That's the basic workflow. Start the scan, monitor the reconnaissance, review the reports, investigate JavaScript findings, and safely validate potential secrets. If you like tips and tricks like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be uploading more videos on bug bounty, cybersecurity, AI security tools, and useful recon techniques very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.